You are looking for a cool icon to make your website more stunning, but sometimes the icon is a little bit too basic and boring, right? I can make the icon more fun and creative. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a cutie glass icon with a simple and easy technique on Figma. So are you ready? Welcome back, I'm Sereni from Design Plus Code. I'm here to teach you more about design. So today we will learn how to make a Glassmorphism icon like this. What is glassmorphism? Glassmorphism is a term used to describe UI design that emphasize light or dark object placed on top of colorful background. A background blur is placed on the object which allow the background to shine through, giving it the impression of frosted glass. The glass effect allows you to see the silhouette, the shape of the background on the back like this. So we can see this bubble on the back and we can see the color as well. This is amazing, guys. What is icon used for? An icon is a small image, usually a symbol used to graphically represent a software, program, file, or function on a computer screen. Icon make easier to recognize and look at items on your computer or featured within a program. Many operating systems, particularly for mobile devices, use icon on the desktop to allow users to easily access and install program. Let me show you some glass icon that we made for Engo, one of our another platform. It's about mockup, composition, plugin, wallpaper. This is all behind Design Plus Code. So here we create a glass icon that we recreate the design logo like this, and we can go to the download page. We have another icon here and the pricing. When you click on purchase and then you change your mind, so you want to go back, then this card will appear. Are the example of the glass icon that I made so far. I really have fun to make this. Now let's recreate one of my favorite icons right here. So let's take this one because it's so cute. If you have already subscribed to shape.so, you can get your icon directly from here, or you can design yourself. For all of my glass icon, I go directly on Shape, one of our another platform behind Design Plus Code. Shape is about icon and illustration. So we have 36,000 icon and illustration fully customizable. Let's have a look. Here is all of the icon. In the second row, we have a lot of illustration made by Mika and Kamlin. Let's take the mail open icon here with the outline. I want an icon with empty color because I want to add my own color. Make sure to export in SVG because SVG can be created and edited with any text editor, can be printed with high quality at any resolution, and are zoomable. So download. Now let's search for the heart icon. There you go. So I'm gonna select the icon, export in SVG, then download. So now let's go back on Figma. How to create a glass icon? It's very simple. To make a glass effect, you will need a background with a colorful color, and the icon should have a light color with less opacity, and add the background blur, and you can see the contrast of this combination. So let's create exactly the same icon. Let's go take the icon on the download that we just export from Shape, my mail, and my card. Let's begin with the mail icon. So I'm gonna resize, press on key for scale and drag on the corner and make it bigger a little bit. So I'm gonna add a light color. To make a glass effect, I will add white. Go to the fill, put white color. I'm gonna put at 30% opacity, take off the stroke, then add background color on the effect. Change for background blur, put at 20. I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom layer here. So add the color fill, put it white, decrease the opacity at 30%, take off the stroke, then add the background blur at 20. Now let's add the stroke outline like this. go back to the first layer, add the stroke, so click on the plus, but instead of the solid, I'm gonna choose linear because I wanna have more than one color. I'm gonna turn a little bit like that. The first color is gonna be white, decrease opacity at 60%, and the second color is gonna be black but 100%, like this. I'm gonna decrease the line stroke at maybe 0.5. I'm gonna do the same thing for the second layer. Add linear, first color, put 60% opacity, and the second gonna be black, put at 100% for the opacity, and for the stroke line it's gonna be 0.5. It should be something like this. Now it's time to do the HUD icon. So let's scale this icon. So key for scale, drag a little bit like this. So for this stroke outline, I'm gonna delete that. Let's add the fill color on the color palette. Here we're gonna create the first layer of this heart. So take this color, take off the stroke. I'm gonna duplicate this layer and I'm gonna put a little bit down. So let's change the color just for now, just to see the difference. I'm gonna blend and make it very blurred, like a 3D, like this. For the second layer, instead of the solid, I will take linear color, rotate a little bit. For the first color, I'm gonna put this color, and the second is gonna be purple, so it looks 3D now, right? Let's rotate on the right side instead. Now let's add the layer blur to blend the two colors like this one. Select the first layer, go to effect, select layer blur. For I think I'm fine. So you see the blur is outside of the HUD. What we're gonna do, we're gonna mask the body. We're gonna duplicate the bottom layer. So duplicate, Command D. The second layer is on the top, right? So take this top layer, right click, use as mask. Ta-da! There you go. The blur is inside this shape now. Let's add a small shape to make your HUD looks more shiny, like this one. So I'm gonna add the ellipse. Press O and make an ellipse. Enter. Select the point and play a little bit. Push more at the right side. Let's take the pen tool like that. Something like that. When you're done, let me rotate a little bit, bring a little bit on the top. I'm gonna put white and decrease the opacity at maybe 20. Should be something like that. The HUD is like very shiny. And now I'm gonna bring the HUD inside of this mail. Select the HUD first and put right there. Put the HUD between the two layers and now hide a little bit like that. There you go. Now let's add a background with the colorful gradient to make a contrast with your icon. So press O for the ellipse shape. I'm gonna put it 66 to be proportional. Make sure to put the ellipse in the bottom of the mail. Like this. I'm gonna add radial gradient instead because the shape is round. The color starts from the middle and my shape is round. So I'm gonna add 3 colors. The first color is orange, the second pink, and the third is purple. I'm gonna bring the point at the top corner a little bit. See, it looks the same. So your icon is done. It looks like that. This icon I customized myself and I made 4 different styles. So in summary, to make a glass icon, you only need at least the background with the colorful color, and the first image should be a light color with a decreased opacity and add the background blur. Or you can just make half and half. The bottom layer is a background blur and the top layer is a fill color like this. I'm gonna make him smile instead. So just flip vertical. There you go. He's happy now. That's it for today.
Hope you enjoyed the video. I wish you a wonderful holiday with your family. See you on the next one. Bye guys.